In this video, I will show you how to find pre-approved payments in PayPal. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to find any pre-approved payments on PayPal, maybe you're looking for a subscription you set up or something that you've chosen to pay by installments, it can actually be quite tricky to find on PayPal. Now, the quickest way to do this is if you actually come across to PayPal and log into your account, and what you want to do is actually come up to the address bar at the top. Now, what you want to do is get rid of anything after paypal.com, and then what you want to do is type the following, which is my account/autopay, all one word, just like this, and then hit enter. Now, what this is going to do is take you across to a screen like this, and this way you're going to find all your automatic payments. So as mentioned, things like your monthly subscriptions, installment plans, pre-approved payments for recurring payments, and you can see these are all listed over here on the left hand side. So we can choose to show active ones, and we can see our inactive ones here as well, just by selecting which one you want to see. And if you actually want to go ahead and cancel any of these, all you need to do is click onto the one that you want to cancel. So for example, let's go for Adobe. If I give that a click, and it's going to bring up information about this particular payment. You can see at the top we've got a button to cancel. You can see it's currently active, so all you need to do is click on to cancel, and then you can click the button to stop pre-approved payments for this particular company. So that's how to find pre-approved payments on PayPal. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.